So Israel is Jewish ISIS. And I have proof of this. You might have heard recently that there was a motion to the Israeli Supreme Court against the Israeli government to try and force them to allow aid into Gaza. And the Israeli Supreme Court ruled against this, saying that, no, the government doesn't have to let aid into Gaza, let them die. And part of the justification for this, which they used, is that they cited the Bible. They cited the Bible and the fact that gives Jews permission to starve and kill Amalek. It's a decision that you would think would come out of an ISIS religious court, but in this case, it did not. As you can see here, Judge David Mintz of the Israeli Supreme Court said that the biblical commandment to annihilate Amalek are grounds for rejecting international humanitarian law, distinction between civilians and military objectives in the legal system of the State of Israel. This man cited a biblical commandment telling Jews to entirely wipe out the Amalekian people, which they call Palestinian, which is what they call Palestinians in Israel, to justify Israel starving Palestinians legally. The legal system in Israel is ISIS. This is literally what the ISIS legal system would be like. Them going to the Quran and being you see in this part, Muhammad led a war. Therefore, we can kill anyone we want. Done. Israel is ISIS. Worse than ISIS, in fact, because it has achieved power and support and committed crimes on such a scale that just immensely outpace anything that ISIS was ever able to do. Israel is basically the wet dream of ISIS. Fucking Supreme Court citing the Bible. They say this country is it's secular. Ethan Klein's everyone here has equal rights. There's no segregation. There's no apartheid. And literally, the Supreme Court is citing one religious group's interpretation of a religious book to justify starving the other group of people. Israel, according to this guy, has free modalities for religiously mandated war. That is to inherit the promised land, to destroy the people of Amalek, and to fend off aggressors. So I guess it's established now in Israeli law that you can go to war to destroy Amalek. So just say that anyone you want is Amalek and you can do it. Welcome to Jewish ISIS. Israel is Jewish ISIS. Done.